Types of clusters. Bid-ask. Clusters display the volume traded by bid and ask. The name of the chart suggests bid on the left, ask on the right. The colors for bid-ask clusters can be set in the window menu, Settings, Clusters. Profile. The color of the profile chart is also set in the Cluster Settings window. To display volume values in text on profile charts, you must activate the Show Info on Profile Chart setting. You can change the font color. Profile D. The profile is plotted by volume, but the delta value is displayed in text. The color of bid-ask fonts is set in the Cluster Settings window. Profile BA. Profile by volume, text values by bid and ask. Bid-ask profile. Two-sided profile. To the right is the ask volume profile, to the left is a histogram by bid. The side of the cluster that is in the minority is colored neutral. The brighter part of the colored cluster displays the delta value. If the bar body setting is activated, a candle is displayed inside the bar. In cluster charts, volume, bid-ask, delta, with this setting, the bar body is displayed instead of the candle. You can change its width in the Cluster Settings window. On profile charts, the bar body is displayed as a frame. The thickness of the sides of the frame can be changed. Next are the buttons for setting the bar body color. Delta V. Profile by delta, text of volume values. Delta BA. Profile by delta, text volume by bid and ask. Chart type delta %. Delta divided by the volume percentage. Visually displays bid-ask dominance in clusters. Delta trades quantity. This is the difference between the number of trades executed by ask and the number of trades by bid. Volume speed. Shows the speed of volume accumulation in contracts per minute. How is volume speed calculated? In a dedicated 15-minute cluster, the volume is 54 contracts. Let's switch to the 1-minute time frame. This 15-minute cluster is formed from 3-minute clusters, 36 plus 6 plus 12 equals 54 contracts. Go back to the 15-minute time frame and switch to the volume speed chart. Calculate the volume speed. 54 contracts divided by 3 minutes equals 18 contracts per minute. Average trade volume. Volume divided by the number of trades. Average trade bid-ask. Two-sided profile chart. Left, average trade volume by bid. To the right, average trade volume by ask. Combi chart. Customizable two-sided profile chart. You can select different types of profiles on the left and right. In this example, on the left is the volume profile, on the right is the delta profile. You can set the width ratio of the left and right sides. Op interest. Change of open interest. Available only for MOEX futures. Blue color, increase of open interest, ask color in the cluster settings window. Pink color, decrease of open interest, bid color. In General Settings window there is an option Switch Charts with Q key. Using the drop-down list, you can customize quick switching between chart types with Q key.